How to return in Shein. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can return in Shein. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. So the very first step is to go on the Google Play Store and install your Shein application. So after you do that, sign in to your Shein user account. After signing in, you will see a interface like this, which is on the first emails. Now you need to go to My Orders, which is on the top right side, and find the order that contains you would like to return and click Order Details. Tap on that option. Now click on the Return Item button. Select the items you would like to return, indicate the reason, and now click on the next step. Please note that some items are non-returnable as specified above. If it is non-returnable, then the option will not be available right there. Now select the refund method. Now select the return method. You can return either by USPS or UPS or drop off your returned items in selected Forever 21 stores. You can now either use the return label or you can use the QR code as well that's provided there. Now the return label and QR code only work if you are shipping with the US, and that's how you can solve your problem. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.